In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like. I have used an extruded mesh circle, and 2 array modifiers to create the mesh. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. We need 8 vertices, and in edit mode, we need to type F to fill in, E to extrude upward. Type I as in India to extrude inward, and E to extrude downward like this. Let's add 2 array modifiers. After that, I applied the modifiers, went to edit mode, typed A to select all, and P to separate by loose parts. Type M to create a new collection. Then I randomly moved the meshes in the Z axis. That wave modifier is optional. I wanted to bounce all of them separately in a random manner, but failed to create that part. This animation can still be used, but it's not as cool as separate individual movements. I'll show you the materials and the rest of the setup details. I have added 4 point lights with different colors, and reduced the sky texture strength to 0.2. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.